Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If your first time stopping by, you are definitely welcome, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, just go right there and subscribe. Click on the notification bell to get notifications whenever I upload my new videos. So without wasting much of your time, let's get right into the video. And the video is all about how I tie this beautiful Gele hair. It's super easy. You don't need to go to a hair salon or a beauty shop to get your Gele done. This is the Nigerian or African Gele that you see everywhere, that is raining everywhere, that is making everybody slay. So this is super easy. You can do this at home. Very easy. You don't need a second party or anything. This is just so easy. So without wasting much of your time, let's get right into the video. So guys, this is what the Gele looks like. You guys don't mind the fact that it's rumpled. I've tied it a couple of times today so that I'll be able to explain better to you guys. And this is what it looks like. It's quite long, about 1.5 inches or 1.5 yards. No, sorry, 1.5 yard of a fabric, I guess. I'm not so sure. So what I normally do is that I fold it together like so. See, I'm holding two pieces here. I fold it together like this, and then at this point, at the middle, I hold it like this, and then fold it again. I'm just using one piece, fold it again, and I get this. This is like 1/3 of this yard. So from here, you eyeball it. You know where it is in the middle, because it's going to play a very vital role. So when I hold it here, this is like the middle. I hold it here, and I'll start to form my plaits. But this is the way I form my plaits. I just push in and gather. This is how I form my plaits. But you can, as I'm doing my plaits, I'm kind of stretching it out like this. This is gonna make it stay, because if you don't do it, it's going to rumple inside. Look at what my plaits look like so. So I just basically roll it like so. And then once I roll it, I just go over and start twisting. I'll twist all the way round. I use my head to hold down the one I have here, and I'll start twisting. It makes me look like like I don't know what I'm doing. Because look at it here. You get like a long twist like so, and then it's better this way. So once you go, if you get it, you wrap it around. You tie it. Make sure that it's secured well. If you feel like your own is not secured, you can go ahead and use office pin to like hold it in place, because you don't want, when you're dancing, something will just go off. And then you grab the back and tie it, not it at the back with the one you have last. You now start arranging and firm your Gele. Then last, you push it, you know. Guys, see. We did it. We did it. Oh, see our Gele. If you see my Gele, oh. If you come out, nobody will know that you are a novice in the Gele. Or people will think that you have slayed, like you're on top. You see, this is why I said this is the beauty of it. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I beg you. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, just hit the like, the subscribe button now, and I love you guys.